Okay, so we're just in this alley, and actually it's kind of cool. This is kind of a dead-end alley, and we're just going to explore into the street, and I'll just show you what's around here, and it'll be something a little bit different. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in this alley. I kind of like the way that these, basically I think this is how they get up to their apartment. So if you're up there, you'd have to climb 5 flights of stairs outside. That'd be kind of crazy to think about, actually. But yeah, it looks like this is how they get in because there's a door right there, and then if you're drunk, that would take you a little bit of time, and actually be pretty visible too. So if you're if you came home drunk or whatever your situation was, everybody here would see you coming on up. Man, that would be tough, going up there like 5 stories like that. Anyways, a lot of these are they have ways to get up to the top, so a lot of them don't have elevators. So let's just see which way we're gonna go here. So we could go this way into this little park, or we could go down this way. Let's kind of walk this way a little bit towards this park. There's a little park here, and they'll play mahjong, and it's Sunday today, so there'll be a lot of people just kind of hanging around in the park. And there's some of the buildings up there. So yeah, this is the park straight ahead. Sometimes people want to see where I am, so if they want to look at Google Maps, there's the street right there. Okay, so we are going to walk into this little park, and this is part of Macau. There's all these tourist signs, and then of course the street signs too. So we're gonna walk a little bit this way. Let's see what we can see. This is the park over here, so maybe we can just walk through it with the camera. It's really sunny and bright today. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking. Yeah, it looks like they're playing some mahjong, things like that. It's really sunny today. Yeah, they're playing mahjong. I'm gonna keep on going because I don't know if it's illegal or legal or what. So we're just gonna keep on walking down this way, try to cross these busy streets, and we'll just see what we can see around here. There's that option there. Let's just walk around this way. So yeah, that's the little park. I captured a couple of the street signs for you. This is how people park their mopeds or whatever, scooters. And I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just kind of capture that little space, and then we're gonna try to get out of the sun a little bit. And then for people who want to follow where we are. So, okay, I'm gonna walk back in a little bit of a circle. This one side there, and this is another side here. So I guess this one would be kind of maybe centered around this little park right here. And I'll just walk a little bit further. The sun, I think, isn't so good for the camera right now, so the way it's coming down, it's kind of blinding in the eyes, so I think that shows through in the camera as well. It's also Sunday, so it's quite crowded. So we'll just go up to we'll go back to where we started, and then you can get some context of another little space. I think some people view Google Maps sometimes, so maybe it's interesting to actually get this stronger view of the firsthand of the city like this. So, okay. There's There's another side street. And to the left is where we started at, that little alley. So we're gonna walk right by that again, and then I'll probably turn off this camera. You see all these little red things right there like that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, actually a lot of businesses have those. I think they're basically kind of a spiritual nature. So I think it's ancestor spirits, so you kind of give some offerings, and I think you burn things there too. So I think that's, maybe somebody can explain that to me. I don't want to have it wrong, but sometimes I'll see certain places where usually near temples, so it might be more at temples than at those, but you'll burn like paper money or paper cars or paper, you know, whatever you think that your ancestors, whatever you know your ancestors would want to have in the spiritual world, you would give an offering like that. Anyways, and I guess we should end it somewhere, so this is a good spot to end it since we're kind of overlooking the street. There you go.